Lin.
Siya ba nakumanta? Siya ba nakumanta?
That you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave things I give to you. Oh friend, why are you so shy like you hold back? Oh, I found a light. I hate to know, but of the blue, anybody, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight, and I hope you see my face and that you feel the money that for me it isn't over. But I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you to don't forget me, I beg. I remember that you said sometimes I let them love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes I let them love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah. Hey!
Ba't ka diretso ka lang?